Wishing you a very good morning, dear students of class first. This is your grammar teacher, Mayuri Miss, and I once again welcome you all to our online class of grammar. In our previous videos, we have completed the first unit of our subject, Unit 1. In this unit, there are 4 chapters. The alphabet, that is first chapter. Second chapter was sentences. Third, nouns. And fourth, verbs. With these 4 chapters, we have also finished our worksheet exercise. That is worksheet 1. Now today, we are going to do revision 1 exercise. That is the first revision exercise of this subject. So it is on page number 29. So let us see the revision 1. Page number 29. Revision 1. This is the first revision exercise of our subject. The first question, A, is write vowels to complete the names. Dear children, in this exercise, revision work, there are combined questions of all the 4 chapters that we have done previously. So, this first question is related with our first chapter. With the first chapter, that is the alphabet. In that chapter, we have learnt about vowels. So, do you remember the vowels? How many vowels are there in English alphabet? 5. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. And what are they? A, E, I, O and U. I hope you all are revising well. So, let us do the first question. In this picture, you can see an insect. What is this insect called? This is an ant. A-N-T, ant. So the vowel here is A. Second, duck. This is a duck, a small duck. So D-U-C-K. U is the vowel here. Third, deer. D-E-E-R, deer. E is the vowel. B. Write consonants to complete the names. Again, this question is related to the first chapter. Consonants. So, first picture. This is a picture of a fruit. And what is the name of this fruit? Do you know? And do you eat this fruit? The name of this fruit is watermelon or melon. M-E-L-O-N, melon. Watermelon or simply melon. Second, this is a very healthy fruit. This single fruit per day keeps you away from doctor. This is a very good fruit. You should eat this fruit daily. This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Third, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Third, rearrange the words to make sentences. We have to rearrange these words to make a meaningful sentence. First, am I Kareem? So dear children, this question is related to our second chapter, that is sentences. So, what are the rules of a sentence? A sentence always begins with a capital letter. So, I will come at first. I am. We always use am with I. So I am Kareem. Then sentence always ends with full stop. So I am Kareem is a correct sentence here. We should always put a full stop at the end of a sentence. Second, is this Tina? So the correct sentence will be this is Tina. This is Tina. And full stop at last. Third, my best friend, she is. So what is the capital letter here? She. She is the word that starts with a capital letter S. So she is my best friend. She is my best friend. Fourth, together we play every day. So the correct sentence will be we. W is capital here. We play together every day. We play together every day. Coming to the next page, page number 30. Question D. Write the words under the correct headings. In this box, in this yellow box, there are few words given. You have to write these words under the correct heading. And what are the headings? Person, place, animal and thing. So this question is related with our chapter nouns. That is the third chapter, nouns. So, dear children, this question you have to do it by yourself. You have to write the words that will come under the column of person, then place, animal and thing. This question is related to our third chapter, that is nouns. This is your homework. So coming to the next question, E. Make many words by adding S. This is a very easy question, dear children. You have to just add S after every word to make many words. That is the concept of singular and plural words. So the first one is pen. So after adding S, it will become pens. P-E-N-S. Chair, chairs. Ball, balls. Bag, bags. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Bottle, bottles. Sister, sisters. This is a very easy question. Now coming to the last question of this exercise. F. Tick the correct verb for each picture. You have to see the picture and tick the correct verb. Look at the first picture. We can see a lady. And what is the lady doing? What is she doing? She is reading. So the correct verb will be read. R-E-A-D, read. She is reading. Second, again, there is a lady in the picture. What is she doing? She is cooking. She is cooking. So, the correct verb will be cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Third, we can see two children here. What are they doing? They are giving. Means the boy is giving gift to that girl. So the verb correct will be give. Give or offer. Fourth, there is a lady and a child. And the lady and the child are hugging each other. So the correct verb will be hug. H-U-G, hug. So this was the last question of this exercise. With this, we have done our revision 1. So dear children, in the next video, we will study about the second unit. We will see the first chapter of our unit 2, that is articles. Till then, keep on practicing well. Keep on practicing well all the 3 chapters plus worksheet plus revision. And take a very good care of yourself. Thank you and have a good day.